Are you struggling to fix this problem? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu and scroll down below to the F section, and you're going to see this FC mobile app over here. Try to navigate it and try to tap on these app details or app info. Sorry. Now, when you get over here, you have to make sure you tap on these notifications and make sure this allow notification is turned on. Go back after doing this and tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on, which is very necessary. Go back and tap on the storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache over here. So after doing this, go back and tap on this for stop. Tap on OK over here. So after doing all this, you have to make sure you scroll down and tap on this app details over here, and it's going to send you to Google Play Store. So when you get over here, you have to make sure esports FC mobile soccer game have the latest updates. You have to tap on update over here when you see update, but when you see play, as you can see on my own, this you don't have to tap on this play button. You have to make sure you are restart your device by tapping on the power button, then you tap on restart to restart your device, and the problem is going to get fixed. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, just let me know the question in the comment section down below, and I'm going to help you to fix this problem. See you in our next video.